Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 70-second algorithm video. In this task we are given a list of numbers and a variable which has been assigned the value of 3. All the numbers in the list occurs in multiples of k except for one number. We need to find that unique element. For this purpose we will be taking help of a dictionary, because dictionary come in pairs of keys and values. The keys would contain the numbers and the value would contain the frequency of how many times the number has occurred in the list of numbers. So let me explain. The first key would be 6 and it has occurred 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The second key would be 2 and it has occurred 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Our last key would be 5 and it has occurred once. So 5 has not occurred in multiples of k, so this would be a unique element. Now let's make the algorithm. I would be making use of a for loop for num in list numbers. If that number is not in the dictionary, num not in dict number, I would assign the value of 1 to that key. Else, if that number is the dictionary, I would find out the frequency of that key. I would increment the value of frequency by 1 and I would reassign back the frequency to the key. Now let's print the dict numbers. So as you can see, 6 has occurred 3 times, 2 has occurred 3 times and 5 has occurred 1 time. So 5 is the unique element. Let's iterate through the dictionary. For I, for key, value in dict numbers dot items. If value is not a multiple of k, print key. Print key. So 5 is the answer. 5 is the unique element. Now let's change the number. Our new list would be 2, 2, 2, 10, 2. Now our k variable has been assigned a value of 4. Let's click play. Now as you can see in the dictionary, 2 has occurred 4 times and 10 has occurred 1 time. 2 has occurred in multiples of k, so 10 is the unique element because it has occurred only once. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.